Hi, my name is Sahish, and today we're gonna make the lava lamp. So first, what you need is a glass of vinegar, some vegetable oil, baking soda, and food coloring. I chose blue food coloring, but you guys can choose any other food coloring. Put that right there. So first, we need 2 spoons of baking soda. One more. Yep. And now we gotta fill the jar with some vegetable oil. There you go. And now we just keep the vinegar in the glass and we pour some food coloring in it. And we mix it with the vinegars for some time. And now we pour it in. And look at that. We made ourselves a lava lamp. Isn't that cool? Well, I think it's very cool. Thanks for watching.